Nah, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are creating a reverse cat eye winged liner look. I've applied a moisturizer. I've used the Nude moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer. I'm using the Sugar Aquaholic Primer Moisturizer. So it works as a moisturizer as well as a primer. So we have done that too, to make sure you apply a moisturizer and then a primer if you want your base to look nice and very good. Now we are taking the Swiss Beauty a priming highlighter. Now this is not a primer, basically it's kind of a stroke cream, a very good dupe for the MAC stroke cream. So even if you're not wearing makeup, you can apply it on your own and then your skin will be just glowing. Now I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in the shade 07. One of the best foundations under a budget, really good. I'm just mixing it with the brush and then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Just in the dabbing motion. A beauty blender gives me a very seamless finish, which I really like about it. So in the dabbing motion, we are going to blend the foundation. This is a very wearable look, so anybody can wear it. You can just skip the foundation and the concealer. You can just do the eye makeup. Completely your call. Now we're taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and applying it on the places where I have dark spots or some darkness going around. We are blending this with this sponge that I got from Miniso. I'll link it down in the description box. All the products will be linked down in the description box. You can check the links and you can buy it if you want it. So just blending the concealer. Next up, I'm taking the PAC Eyebrow Filling Gel or pomade, eyebrow pomade. I'll mention the shade and all in the description box. It's a very good pomade and you can draw your eyebrows the way you want to. There are different colors available in this one and I highly recommend this pomade. I absolutely love it. Now I'm taking the K by Katrina compact in the shade 120p light. It's one of my favorite compacts and I've hit pan already. It's a very nice compact. I highly recommend it because the finish is really good. Now I'm taking the Bahama Mama bronzer and I'm going to bronze my face. We are not going with any cream contour because we just want to keep it very wearable and we don't want to overdo things, and that's the reason we're just going to use a bronzer and slightly contour my face with that and also create a bronzing effect. Always when you're bronzing, make sure that you push your brush towards the outer side. So this is giving me a sun-kissed look as well as a contoured face. I'm contouring my nose using the same bronzer. Next I'm using the same bronzer to define my crease. You can go ahead and try this trick. This is my trick and I really like this. It just makes my eyes look bigger instantly. Next up, I'm taking the Belora Paris Kohl Kajal and applying it on my inner waterline, lower waterline, and I'm going to take an angled brush and just going to blend it. As simple as that. Nothing fancy, no eyeshadows whatsoever. Just blending the kajal like this, the kohl like this, and just pulling it towards the outer side as if I'm creating a winged liner, but on the lower side. You're also, using the same brush without adding any color. We're just taking the remaining kajal on the brush and we're going to draw a line on the inside to just create a cat eye look. Our eyes are almost done. Now we are just going to blend it. That's it. You just need to pull your eyes like this and just pull the kajal outside. Create a line, create a wing. Now I'm taking the Cuffs and Lashes Let It Snow palette. I'm just going to take the grey color from there and going to set the kajal. You can avoid this step or you can use any black eyeshadow or a grey eyeshadow to just set it so that it lasts longer. Now I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now I'm taking the K Beauty blush in the shade Soft Nude. K Beauty makes the best blushes. I really like this blush. I highly recommend you to go ahead and try this one because it's really amazing. Now I'm using the e.l.f. highlighter. It's a very decent highlighter. I'm going to highlight my brow bones. I'm going to apply the highlighter on my lid as well to just define my eyes. And I'm then going to apply the highlighter on the face, like the higher points of the face. I'm applying lashes using the lash fixer from PAC, and I'm using the Europe Girl lashes. They're very good lashes. I'll link them down in the description box. I highly recommend it. The set of 3 were like for 350 rupees, and they're very wearable lashes. Next up, I'm taking the Kiro Beauty new launch lipstick. It's a lip butter. It's a mixture of 5 lip butters, and this one is in the shade Melted Love. I absolutely love it. If you are a fan of glossy lipsticks, you can go for this one. It's highly hydrating, nourishing, and will make your lips very soft and bring back life to your lips. So yes. Yeah, that is my finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon right next to it. I will see you in the next one. Today's giveaway winner will win this double bead blush from SQ and NYBA liquid lipstick. All the rules are in the description box. Go ahead and follow.